Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Diwali, the festivals of light, is just around the corner, and soon there will be festive spirit all around. For me, this is the favorite time of the year. I love everything about Diwali, from Diwali cleaning to making rangoli, lighting diyas, to watching firecrackers in the sky, from floating lights of paper lanterns covering all over the night sky to wearing ethnic clothes. There is something magical about Diwali. And also, it is that time of the year when you are surrounded by irresistible sweets. No celebration is complete without sweets. Desserts are the highlight of not only Diwali but all Indian festivals. So this Diwali, to keep yourself safe and avoid bringing sweets from outside, let's make everything at home. I'm starting a Diwali dessert series where I will be showing you some Diwali desserts to serve your family and friends, and also some gifting ideas. There will be some Indian desserts, some baked goodies and some fusion desserts also. So let's get started. So our first dessert in this series today is the easiest recipe ever and which anyone can make. Yes, coconut laddoos. In a non-stick pan or a kadahi, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now once it melts, add dry desiccated coconut and roast it for about 3 to 4 minutes on low-medium heat. Now we don't want to change its color too much, so keep stirring along. Don't burn it by increasing the flame. Now see, once it's toasted, the color will change a little bit, not too much. And now I'm going to add into this some condensed milk. I'm using here homemade condensed milk. You can find the link for the recipe for this condensed milk at the right side of your screen right now. And now mix this well again. Keep stirring on low flame until the mixture thickens like this. And now once it's thickened, I'm going to add milk into this. Now this is optional, but I prefer because it makes the laddoos more soft. Now at this point of time, you can add cardamom powder. As the milk I added already has cardamom infused into it, so I'm not adding any cardamom, but I recommend adding 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder along with the milk. This will really enhance the taste of the laddoos. So once the coconut absorbs all the milk, switch off the flame and shift the mixture to another bowl. And allow this to cool for about 6 to 7 minutes. Do not cool it completely, as it will be difficult to make laddoos out of that completely cooled mixture. So just for 5-6 minutes or nearby. Now once the mixture is little bit cooled, I'm going to make the laddoos. So make balls out of the batter. Roll them in the desiccated coconut like this. And here is the final laddoo. Now make all balls similarly, and you can keep the size according to your choice. So similarly, I'm going to make all the laddoos out of this mixture. Now I love to put these in my smallest muffin liners, as these look more presentable and also look better while gifting. You know, these laddoos are an ideal gifting option during Diwali. So once these are ready, refrigerate it for about an hour or so to make the consistency perfect. So our coconut laddoos are ready to serve to your family or guests. These laddoos are also perfect for gifting purpose. Just put them into some kind of box. It can be a Tupperware box, any crockery thing you are going to gift, or any disposable bags. Just cover it, wrap it with the gift wrapping paper, and it's ready to be gifted. What else could be better than something made with hand after pouring all your love into that? So I hope you liked today's recipe. If you like it, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and do try to make this Diwali, because it is as simple as ABC. So everyone and anyone can make it, even those who have never tried their hands on any kind of mithais. So if you try this recipe, do not forget to share the pictures with me on my Instagram handle Dipali Khanna Ori, and also let me know what else you want me to make for you this Diwali. I will definitely try to cater to your wishes. So until we meet again, goodbye and take good care of yourself. Happy festivals! So I'm going to show you how to make no-bake chocolate coconut balls. So to start with the recipe, we'll be mixing our shredded coconut and condensed milk together. Now I have taken here unsweetened coconut. Just give it a good mix with the spatula. You just have to simply mix this in a bowl. You don't need any processor for this. Okay, so you can also use your hands to mix this, but make sure to wash your hands, to sanitize your hands before doing this. So I've already done that. Now take some of the coconut mixture and roll into balls like this. Now make balls from all the coconut mixture. Now once all balls are done, just roll them once again to make it more smooth. See, you can see now the texture is much better as compared to the first round of rolling the balls. So once all balls are ready, I'm going to chill them for about half an hour to form them. So these goes into the fridge. Meanwhile, take some dark chocolate, or you can also take milk chocolate, and just melt it in a double boiler, or you can use microwave for the same. Just give it a good mix. Your chocolate should be properly melted. It should be a smooth liquidy consistency. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip the ball in the chocolate. So I'm using these wooden skewers to do this. You can use any method. You can use a fork, you can use a spoon, whatever you feel comfortable with. Just use whatever method you feel is convenient for you. You just dip the balls completely, shake the excess chocolate, and keep the ball on a wire rack, or you can also keep it on a tray lined with parchment paper, as I am doing. Take out the skewer and fill the hole that is there with the chocolate. That's it. Now do the same with all the balls. Now you can experiment as per your choice. You can use white chocolate instead of this dark or milk chocolate. Just shake the excess chocolate. Okay, so now these are ready. I'm going to chill them again in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. Now what I'm going to do is, this is just optional. I've melted some white chocolate and I'm going to drizzle this on the top of the balls. Now I'm not very good in decorating these baking things, but I try my best always to do something different. So this is just for the, for the eyes. It is going to look beautiful. You can also put this white melted chocolate in a small icing bag and then do it more neatly. You can also sprinkle some coconut instead of this white chocolate. Just sprinkle some coconut over the top. So these are the ready balls. I hope you like the recipe, and if you like it, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you make it, do not forget to share the pictures with me on my Instagram, Dipali Khanna Ori. So until we meet again, goodbye and take good care of yourself.